If you're interested in scalping, whether it's futures or forex, and you're looking for an incredibly simple scalping system that just works, you're in for a treat. These are trades that I was taking today, and right now this is after the fact. But what we're going to do with the video is we're going to go back in time, and I'm going to show you what I was doing when I took these trades, why I took these trades. And I'm going to show you how easy this is and how you can do exactly the same. At the moment, I'm just looking for a $200 outcome each session. That's kind of my target. So if we go into the history here, it's similar to yesterday. I did the same video yesterday in yesterday's Asian session. So over here on the left, okay, today 260, yesterday was 200 and something. So that's, at the moment, that's my target. Keeping this really conservative. The thing though is you can change your risk, and the key to this is get the strategy right, trade it, make money every day, and then when you see consecutive winning days, you up the ante. I've been trading one contract at a per trade risk, but as I continue this process, I'll bump it up to 2 contracts and then maybe 3 contracts. This is futures, but you can do the same thing maybe with the euro dollar, currency pairs, or gold if you want to trade XAU. With your forex broker, it's exactly the same process. Okay, so let's go back in time, and I'm going to revisit when I was taking these trades and show you exactly how to do this. Okay, let's get started. Right, so we've got some green signals. Candles have turned green. I'll go long. Okay, MEES will buy. Okay, so I'm basing this on, well, I kind of missed the boat. It would have been better to have gotten in a little bit earlier, but we've got 3 green signals down here, and candles have turned green, so we get in. Might even have another MNQ, so I'll go long MNQ. Buy market. Actually, what I might do is throw in a stop loss just to do the right thing. So buy, we'll do a sell stop. MES, throw in a sell stop. All right, so we're already up. Look at this, 30, 50. There you go, okay. Based on these signals down in here, this is the scalping strategy. Very easy. What I might do is set up an alert, because see the hashtag, that's the signal that I'm looking for. Yeah, there's a little hashtag under here. In fact, you'll see it there as well. So if you come in here to the VWAP, add the 3 dots, add alert, and just go down and select trend color change, or that's the one, all right, and it'll be once per bar close, and then create it. Done. Look, we're up 50 already. Now we've got 2 of these running, so we're actually 60. We're up $80. It's as easy as that. You want to look for the exit on the first white candle. So let's just go down actually to a 1 minute chart. All right, so 1 minute. See back down in here the green hashtag. That would have been a good entry down there. See how it's trading up into this level here on the volume profile. Look, I might even just take my money off the table. 60, 70, 80. Why not? Just exit both of them. Just quick money. Just in and out. Exit. Close it. All right. So what are we up today already? That's nearly $100 just in a few minutes. Probably under a minute. See how we got the red down triangle? That's telling us that we might this might pull back. All right, so gold, what's that doing? I'm going to be looking for the next green alert. Now, see how this is green down the bottom? Okay, so I'm just waiting on another signal. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, probably close those a little bit early, because that would have been awesome. Never mind. I'll be looking for the next red candle. See how we got a red signal up here, and this is up in the red. Okay, so we wait for the red signal to fire for a short. By the way, this is up 600 ticks, and MNQ 600 ticks is worth about 300. So I did close it a bit early. So that would have been 3 and 3, 300 and maybe 300 on the other. Yeah, I mean, so it's just a matter of waiting for look, see, we've got the green signals down the bottom here, green and green, right? 2 indicators at the base down the bottom. Now, just waiting for the next green candle. In fact, There you go, green candle gold, MGC, where are we? Okay, MGC, gonna buy market gold, throw in a stop loss, sell stop. All right, so we've had the hashtag in here, and I'm looking for this to continue up. Okay, based on, see down the bottom, these two green signals. We've got a green hashtag here. The only thing with this one is it's trading into this VWAP, and that might be an issue. Let's just open that up. Yeah, you just take that first green hashtag. That's all you got to do. Here we go. Bit of movement. What's MNQ doing? Oh, I absolutely missed the boat on that one. That's okay. Just keep it simple. All right, I'll be looking to bail on the first white candle. That would have been ideal to have done that over here, like just on the 1 minute chart. Just stay with it while it's green. Yeah, I really missed the boat on that. 700 ticks is worth $350. Yeah, could have been much different. Anyway, we'll just do the same thing with gold now. Lesson learned. Oh, 1 minute chart, I'll just stay with this while the candles are green and just follow it up. And I'm also looking for this guy to turn red at the high of this. So just set the alert and just wait for the alerts to kick in. You get a bit of an idea of what I'm doing, and it's really a simple process. So today, if we have a quick look, yeah, just a very easy $260. I'm just following these signals. When it turns green, buy. When it turns red, sell. And keep an eye on, see these down in here? That's the key. Now, it also tells you when to exit the trade. There's your exit signals. Jump on board. Try it. It's free for 7 days. Make it work from day one. Trade a prop firm account. This is my Lucid trading. Here it is. I've got 3 accounts connected. This is a group. So when I take one trade, all 3 go off. Trade your forex account. Okay, 2 minute or a 1 minute chart. And keep an eye on the mentorship videos that I'm going to be uploading into our Discord. Okay, I've got a section in there called Scalping Strategy. Now, if we come into Discord here, right, I'll be doing videos in here on this process, on this strategy. So that's down the bottom, and there's everything else in here as well. Honestly, in this current environment, jobs are at risk. This is an opportunity, and again, it's free for 7 days, and then it's only $29.95 a month. Take it to the next level, and we can connect you to the Gold EA that we have running. Gold EA bot, you can see the URL up here. It's just my website, then gold-ea-bot. All right, there's some history here. Okay, we can connect you to this, connect your forex account. Okay, that's it over here. Join VIP and enjoy the process. This is a really great opportunity. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.